Hi friends, I'm Mayuresh and guys, just a kind request, please subscribe my channel. MS Army is just about to complete 600 subscribers. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So today's topic is Pixys OS 2.4 on my iPhone review. So let's see the about phone. As you can see, it is written Pixys OS 2.4. Android version is 9.0. The kernel is 4.9 kernel, that is Perfect Plus kernel. So let's see the customizations. In system you get gestures. That is swipe finger for notification and swipe left right to display notification. Then jump to camera, swipe up for home button, prevent ringing, 3-finger screenshot and 1-hand mode. Here you don't get a separate mode or separate tab for customizations, just like you get in other ROMs. Here the customizations are pre-built in the settings. Suppose in battery, as you can see it's animation. See, you get battery icon and battery percentage. Then wake up on charge. You also get some customizations here: aggressive battery, auto enable battery saver, etc. Then in display settings you get rounded corners. Then miscellaneous, you get toast app icon, lock screen charging info, status bar, accidental touch, recent UI. Then double tap to wake. Then UI style, then accent color, font, etc. Then in sound you get customizations like screen lock sound, charging sound, vibrations, then touch sound. You can enable or disable this. You also get MI sound enhancer. Then in storage you get normal. Here you don't get any customizations. Then in security and lock screen, here you get many customizations of lock screen, that is screen lock. Here you get customizations like power button instant lock. And lock screen preferences, you get fingerprint unlock after reboot, show weathers, etc. Down here you also get clock alignment on lock screen. Then album art filter, fingerprint authentication vibration, then double tap to wake or sleep on lock screen, items underneath the clock, then lock screen visibility, etc. You get some customizations in the security settings. Then here account, no customizations. Then you get button tab. In button tab you get button customizations, there is volume rocker customizations, allow navbar, then hardware key customizations, there is back button, home button and recent button customizations, and navbar customizations, power menu customizations, and notification. In notification you get battery charging light, lock screen shortcuts, status bar items, and traffic indicator on status bar. So these are the customizations. You can also see the volt icon is available, that is volt is working. Let's see the calls, if they are working or not.
Welcome to Jio Marathi साठी एक दाबा.
As you can see, the calls are also working. The ROM is pretty smooth. See, you get the animation for quick switch. See, and the ROM is extremely smooth. See, no lags at all. I didn't face any kind of bug in this ROM. It's extremely smooth. And the battery life is also pretty good. I got around 6 hours of screen on time on this ROM. So what do you think? How was the video? Tell me in comment section. If you like the video, smash the like button and subscribe for more awesome video like this. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.
For your own good.
What just happened?